Brisket, brisket, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Hey everybody, I'm Joey and welcome to Red Meat Lover, your home for cooking meat made easy. On this channel, we share tips and tricks on different types of meat, cuts of meat, how to season, smoke, grill, barbecue, you name it, we have it. Whether you're new to cooking or a seasoned pro, you're going to love our Meat America program. That's where we visit experts on location and they share proven, crowd-pleasing, meaty recipes that you can use right at home to turn up the tasty. Stick around for our Biteseez program where we share bite-sized cooking hacks that you can use to become more efficient in the kitchen. And if you like that, every single week we release a new video right here in this kitchen with me cooking and doing a little bit of drinking. And you can follow along my meaty food adventures where I learn everything, all the questions I've ever had about cooking and preparing the delicious and tasty meats, yes. Meats.
Turn it up. Let's just see how high we can go. Turn it up. No stopping till we lose all control. Turn it up until we feel it down in our soul. Turn it up. Turn it up.
Thanks for checking us out. Hope you enjoy our videos. And if you do, you know the drill. Go ahead and hit that big thumbs up, like button, or even better, subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss an adventure every single week as we turn up the tasty.
Brisket, brisket, 1, 2, 1.